Okay, hi you guys, welcome back to another video. So this week I just want to show you what I'm packing for New York City. I'm just going to show you every item sort of just singularly on its own. I feel like, was I saying that right? And then so I'm just going to show you every item on its own, and then hopefully they mix and match to make really cute outfits when I'm there. That's kind of what I do when I try to pack for a trip. I want everything to be cohesive. I can make a few outfits just on the fly. But also, really quick side note before we get into the try-ons, this background that I started my YouTube channel on is going to be a little fleeting. So I am moving and I'm going to have a bunch of New York content for September, and then I think I'm moving in October. So I'm going to get a little place downtown Portland in the Pearl. I am so excited. So I want to show you a little bit of downtown Portland, the things that I love, the restaurants I love, definitely do some vlogs. But yeah, this boring tan background is going to be gone. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so first I'm going to get out of the way the two accessories that I plan on taking. It is the By Far Amber bag. No surprise here. This is going to be the only bag that I'm going to bring to New York with me. I just love the size. It's going to be able to fit my camera and then kind of some knickknacks throughout the day. Really everything that I need. So definitely taking the By Far Amber bag with me. Next is going to be the Reality X sunglasses. You guys have seen these, I think, in a few videos, but I absolutely love them. I got them, I believe, I want to say the style is turtle or the color is turtle. I think the color is turtle. I'll link it down below, but these are them. I think that they are very cute. I was kind of worried they were a little bit too wide on my face, but I think that they look good. So yeah, I'm going to be taking the Reality X sunglasses with me, the only sunglasses that I'm taking to New York. And next is going to be a pair of shoes. So I plan on taking like other tennis shoes. I'll probably take the Reebok Club C's and then just maybe something else to be a little bit more comfortable in. But what? Okay. So I'm also taking the By Far Heeled Sandal. These are so comfortable. I can't say enough about the brand By Far. I buy all my bags from there, and if I'm going to get a heel, these ones are super comfortable. It's a block heel. It's not too high. Really comfortable to walk in, especially if you're going to be doing a little walking, going to the restaurant, or anything like that in New York. So these I'm going to be pairing with every outfit that I'm going to show you today. They are absolutely adorable, super comfortable. Can't say enough about this sandal. Okay, so next I want to show you just a pair of pants. So we're getting into the try-on. These are from Agolde. I got their faux leather pants in the size 24. I'm in between right now with 24 and a 25. I've been working out. So yeah, these ones have quite a bit of stretch to them. So I ended up getting the 24. They fit me really well. I think they're really cute. And I ideally want to wear these every single day. I know it's like a lot. It's definitely a statement piece having a pair of leather pants in your wardrobe and wearing them out, but they are so comfortable. I can't say enough about this brand. I absolutely love these pants, and I'm just pairing them with the top that I have on right now. It's just it's an Adenola top, so it's just a little workout top. It's what I'm wearing right now, but I think that these actually look cute with anything. You can definitely dress them up and dress them down. And next I want to show you a pair of trousers that I want to definitely bring to New York with me. These are from Naked Fashion. So when you shop on Naked Fashion, you can look at items that are more sustainable because they're headed that direction. I think they're going to be fully sustainable by 2025. So that's definitely the items that I look for. These trousers, I believe, were marked that. I'll link them down below. Everything's going to be linked, but I think that they are really cute. They have a slit right here on the bottom on both sides. I'm thinking about getting it tailored to only be a slit on one side. Very effortless, super comfortable. I think they're going to go with a lot of things. I could definitely do a baby tee, and then also you could dress it up with like a dressier top, and you could do heels, or you could do just a plain pair of tennis shoes. But I think that these are really cute, definitely comfortable. I love having a great pair of trousers in your wardrobe to sort of do like day to night looks with, and these ones I think are perfect. All right, and moving on, I'm going to change the top up here for you because I feel like it's going to get a little boring just seeing this Adenola top. So I'm going to be putting on a tube top. This one is from the Naked Fashion and Josephine H. Day collab. I will link a video up here. I did a little try on too when I was doing a staycation downtown Portland for a little mini clothing haul, and I'm going to be pairing it with these Levi's. So these ones I got from Goodwill for $14.99. I got them tailored to be taken in probably a couple inches on the side and all the way down. They don't have darts. It was just kind of like a straight cut, so I got them to be a little bit more straight leg. They were men's, and I thought that the length was really good. I like them to sort of hit the shoe or hit the tennis shoe. I just think it's a really cute look. And yeah, these jeans definitely a little bit baggier on me. I just think that they're really cute. They hit me in all the right places, and I'm excited to wear these when I go to New York. And last but definitely not least for the pants is going to be these pants from the Josephine H. Day and Naked collab again. So these ones I ended up sizing down. I when I shop at Naked, I think that they run a little bit bigger. So I get the smallest size that I can buy usually in the pants. So these ones, same thing with the trousers. These are both gonna be size 32. I just think that they fit a little bit better. These ones were definitely on the baggier side and I wanted a little bit of a tighter fit. So that's why I ended up sizing down. I think normally I would be a true to size 34, but these are really, really cute. I've worn these quite a few times. I wear them to work. I roll it up 3 times on the bottom. So it's just a little cuff there. I like the way that it looks with the Far Heeled Sandal, so it adds a little bit more structure to an otherwise loose item. I think it looks really, really cute with the tube top, so just a full Naked fashion and Josephine H. Day collab look, and then also the Far Heeled Sandal. All right, so let's get into some tops here. I've talked about this top before in some of my mini clothing hauls. This one is from Jonathan Something. It's a corsety style top. It has just these hooks right here. I think it's really sexy, really feminine. I feel really good when I wear it. The material is really thick and it is on sale for a fraction of what I paid for it on Neiman Marcus, I believe. So I'll link it down below if you want to get it. But I think that it is really, really cute. It has a little bit of a crop to it. It just makes me feel put together. I really like items where I don't have to do a bunch of layering, and this one I feel like I just throw it on with a really cute pair of jeans and I'm ready to walk out the door. And we can't talk about a New York trip and not talk about Orseund Iris, so I'm going to be definitely taking this underwire bra tank. This is the actual first item I ever bought from Orseund Iris. If you don't know, Orseund Iris is my favorite brand of all time. I swear by them. I love their aesthetic. I think the owner is great. I love her creativity. I think that she has really good style instinct, and I absolutely love this tank. I got this just in the color, you'll see it better in the try on, just in the color ivory, but I think it's really cute. With jeans, you could do the leather pants to dress it up, and I definitely would be wearing the Far Heeled Sandal. I just think it's a really cute, versatile top to have in your wardrobe. Okay, so this is going to be the last shirt that I'm going to show you. I have some basics coming from Aritzia. I should probably have them all next week, so let me know if you guys want maybe just a basics haul, like how I would pick things for my wardrobe just to have. I mean, it's just going to be plain tanks. I think they're going to go with a lot of things, all neutral colors. Let me know if you want a little haul in that, or maybe how I style basics just to wear every day, like your everyday uniform. I can do that next week if you would like. But this one is just going to be a denim halter top from Musier Paris. I really like Musier Paris. I have a few of their items. I will be taking the L trousers also with me to New York. I don't have them around. They're not going to be in the try on, but they'll be linked down below as well if they're still available. I know they're selling out in sizes. I got this in the size 36, and yeah, it is on sale. I think it's really cute, just something to kind of switch it up in my wardrobe. I don't have a lot of color, and I mean, I do love blue. I think it's kind of one of the more flattering color tones on me. I like blue in like sort of a sea green. I think is really cute. So yeah, this is going to be a halter top from Musier Paris. I'm definitely going to be pairing this. You can really do any of the pants that I showed you, but definitely with the Agolde faux leather pants. And moving into the last 2 items of what I'm going to be showing you for my New York trip. So I think a really good blazer is going to be a must for me. This one is from The Real. It is a men's Valentino blazer. I'll link the dimensions down below. It's either a small or an extra small. I think it's really cute. It's really comfortable. You can definitely roll the sleeves up for a little bit more structure so it just doesn't look so loose on you. But I love this. I love this for like a day to night look. Like you could even do a baby tee under this, or you can just throw this over if you want to dress your outfit up a little bit more for a late night happy hour. But I'm definitely gonna be taking this with me in my bag to New York. Okay, and last but certainly not least, so this blazer sits on its own for me. I don't really do a shirt under. I just do a bra. You could even do a no bra. But yeah, this one is from Iro Paris. I got it in the size 36. It has a little cinch at the waist there. It is really cute. I think it looks pretty classy. I mean, you can't go wrong with a blazer, and you know, you just cinch it at the waist, you grab a really cute pair of jeans, and you're ready to walk out the door. So I think adding the leather pants would definitely dress it up, but you could also do a baggier pair of Levi's, and I still think that it would look really cute with the Far Heeled Sandal. This is going to be the last item that I'm going to show you that I'm taking to New York with me, and yeah, I hope you like it. Okay, so that's the end of everything that I'm taking so far with me to New York City in September. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you next week.